If you're tired of hearing fairy tales about making pocket change on freelancing platforms and you want to see how real money is actually made with AI in 2025, watch this video until the end, because right now, I'm going to show you a model where you sell media dominance to companies for $5,000 per contract, while AI and one low-cost assistant do all the dirty work for you. And your job is not editing, not scripting, and not sitting in video software all day, but running a system that businesses are desperate for. The reality is simple. Every modern brand in the US and Europe needs to be present on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. But hiring a videographer, a scriptwriter, an editor, and a social media manager is slow, expensive, and inefficient. So most companies either post randomly or don't post at all. And that's exactly where your opportunity starts, because you offer a solution that turns one long video, podcast, or article into dozens of short-form viral clips in a single day without you touching a timeline. Your entire strategy is built on content production at scale, not creativity, not talent, not inspiration, but systems. And what you sell is a simple package. 30 or 60 short videos per month for $5,000? For a business, this is cheap. Compared to hiring a team, and for you, this is pure arbitrage. Here's the execution step by step. First, you find people who already create content but use it inefficiently. You go on YouTube and look for English-speaking podcasts, interviews, coaches, and educational channels that have views and authority but almost no activity on TikTok or Reels. And in parallel, you use Apollo to find marketing directors and founders of brands in niches like fashion, beauty, or real estate in cities like Miami or London. You never offer video editing, you offer reach and dominance, and your cold message instantly sounds like this. We analyzed your content and built a system that can multiply your reach by creating 2 professional short-form videos per day from your existing content. Would you like to see a ready-made example using your own video? To create that example, you don't need an editor. You take any of their YouTube videos and drop the link into tools like Opus Clip, Munch, or Captions. And within minutes, the AI automatically cuts the best moments, adds dynamic captions, zooms, and music. But to sell this for $5,000, you need proper packaging. So you go to Upwork and hire one video designer from Indonesia or Pakistan for $300 to $400 per month, who lightly polishes the AI output and makes it look agency level, which means your total production cost for an entire month of content is around $500 including software, while the client pays you $5,000. When you jump on a Zoom call, you don't talk about tools or buttons. You share your screen and show how their boring 1-hour interview turned into 10 fast, scroll-stopping clips with viral potential. And you say one sentence. This system replaces your entire marketing content team. You give us raw content. We handle everything. For payments, you use Stripe or Wise, take full prepayment, or split it into 2 parts, forward the task to your assistant, and a few days later you deliver a full month of content in a shared folder. And that's real AI arbitrage, where you sell saved time and systems, not labor. While others fight for $100 logo jobs, you build a content factory that runs a few hours a week. And if you want my exact list of the best AI video tools in the sales script I use, comment the word roll and stop working with your hands. It's time to manage systems,